Right here.
Does she needs like a coat or something, doesn't she?
She's got a blanket, but I'm videotaping the ladybug. It's kind of nifty.
I didn't bring it out.
Well, we need it.
Well, I didn't have free enough hands. Dad, we saw a ladybug that was building his cocoon.
Why don't you go get your blanket?
That was in his cocoon, and that was coming out of the cocoon. Where is he?
He's right here.
Can you just pull him off?
No, we don't want to hurt him. Look at him, he's moving a bunch.
He's moving a lot. He's so funny.